Welcome to my channel englishlearningsbd. Certainly, writing a paragraph in English can be made easier by following a simple structure. Here's a quick and easy trick. Topic sentence. Start with a clear topic sentence that introduces the main idea of the paragraph. This sentence sets the tone and direction for the entire paragraph. Supporting details. Provide supporting details or examples that explain or elaborate on the main idea. These details give depth to your paragraph and help to clarify your point. Transitions. Use transitional words or phrases to smoothly connect ideas within the paragraph. This ensures a logical flow and coherence. Concluding sentence. End the paragraph with a concluding sentence that summarizes the main point or reinforces the paragraph's purpose. This sentence brings closure and prepares the reader for the next paragraph. Here's an example. Topic sentence. The importance of regular exercise cannot be overstated. Supporting details. Engaging in physical activity helps maintain a healthy weight, improves cardiovascular health, and boosts overall well-being. Moreover, it reduces the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and diabetes. Transitions. Additionally, beyond the physical benefits, exercise has a positive impact on mental health. Studies have shown that regular physical activity can alleviate stress, anxiety, and depression. Concluding sentence. In conclusion, incorporating regular exercise into one's routine is a key factor in promoting both physical and mental health. Embracing an active lifestyle not only enhances longevity but also contributes to a higher quality of life. Remember to keep your sentences clear and concise, and the overall paragraph will be well structured and easy to follow. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.